Did you know that chiropractic adjustments improve how chronic low back pain patients experience pain? Hi, I'm Dr. Bryan, and according to a study that included 98 chronic low back pain sufferers, those treated with chiropractic adjustments experienced one, a reduction in both pain where there was an exaggerated mental outlook towards their pain, and two, pain where there was a greater sensitivity to painful stimuli. And this was after only 12 sessions spread out over 4 weeks. So if you're local and suffering from low back pain, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you get your life back and do that without drugs or surgery. And with our type of care, again, there's no twisting, popping, or cracking. So very gentle, very safe. Talk to you soon.